Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Group D of the University of Mines and Technology, Geology 2, Geology 3, sorry. And we just finished our today's field mapping here in Bompieso. And as you can see, we have a lot of, members here talking of Antoinette in your short. Kofi Temereku,
man of the field,
being the manager of this group, Mr.
Man of the game, football.
Yes, you can see all of them as they are going. And I'm the person of Simpson, Bentum, KOBINA, being the assistant manager of this group D. And I shall ask them about how they felt about this field mapping exercise. So in my extreme left is the only lady in our group, that is Antoinette. So, Miss Antoinette, how do you feel in this particular field mapping exercise?
Oh, it's very, very enjoying. It's very nice. Okay, we're learning about what we studied for a long time, and we are exposed to all the beautiful rocks. Oh, the geology there was also very nice because we were able to measure everything that I wanted to. Oh no, the altitude measurement. We saw from the top. We saw a lot of borders around. Hey, geology is a nice course, Charlie. Geological engineering.
Thank you very much, Miss. That is Miss Antoinette for you. You know. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Everything was what? Okay.
Okay, I shall turn to Dave. Dave, how do you feel in this particular exercise? That is that is the day for you. But see, we are just a wedding wasem. Just say it is not never and ever on a silver platter. But it only depends on how you are going to do your things and do your calculations and all that. So I shall turn to my main manager of this group, that is Kofi Temereku. He has been so much helpful, has been so much dominant in this very exercise. So Kofi Temereku, you being the manager, how did you organize your members?
Yo, my man, it hasn't been easy, as we are all adults here and being managing adults, you know how difficult sometimes it comes with. We are all university students and science students per se, everybody has his own idea as to how things work around here. But with understanding and cooperation with the group, we've been able to finish with today's work. And then basically it was interesting. Come to see the outcrops around here. We have some boulders. Most of them are boulders. Looking at the parts, the valley side, most of them are boulders, and also most of the rocks here are quartzites. As we said, with the mineralization being of a quartz vein in them, and it's very interesting. And the group has really done well. I'm dead tired, as you can see me now. So I think it has been interesting for today.
Yeah, that was Kofi Temereku, the manager of this group D. And he has been, as I said, he has been so much helpful, so much dominant in this group D exercise. He's a man full of integrity, probity, and accountability. So, with time not in our side, I shall turn to one of our members. He's also from Mali, all the way from Mali. He's the person of Sidibé. So Sidibé, in this very field mapping exercise. Okay, sorry. He is not ready to talk or to be interviewed. So I shall turn to Mr. Owusu. Mr. Owusu. It seems Owusu is not ready for this interview. So I shall turn to TOFF. So TOFF,
yeah, Mr. Man.
This field mapping exercise.
Yeah, in fact, it's really
how good has it been to you?
It has been very, very good to me because I've been able to know a mineral like garnet. I actually have not seen garnet before, although I've heard a lot about garnet, saying that garnet looks garnet looks a brownish, right?
Okay.
Yeah, brownish. So like someone's rotten teeth. Okay. Yeah, fortunately for me, I've been able to see a garnet, and I saw a mineral which looks greenish. I learned that one was a chlorite. So, in fact, it has been a very good experience to me. At least
And has it also elevated your experience in the field of
just
mining
really
or
my
geology?
experience as a young geologist. I know with time, if you're able to spend 2 weeks here, I know you are going to, in fact, we'll be able to come out as at least a truly young geologist. In fact,
Okay.
Yeah, in fact, we are really building our knowledge.
Okay.
And I'm very happy.
That was tough for you. One of the noble members of this group, the group. And I shall turn to one of our members. That is the moderator, sorry. The organizer. Our organizer, that is TOFF, no sorry. ZOBOR. So I shall ask him certain questions concerning this field mapping exercise, just to see how he felt about it. Perhaps a lot of people are tired. Moving here and there it has not been easy at all. So I just want to know how he felt about the field mapping exercise. So over to you, Mr. ZOBOR.
Alright, go to my small boy and ask him a question, or he's my spokesman.
Oh, okay, sorry. that was a mistake I did.
Yeah.
Okay. ZOBOR, your master just said that I should come to you for.
Fuck him.
You know.
Fuck you.
Okay. That was a rude, show by that guy.
Fuck you.
This doesn't show a respect at all. The fact that you being a university student does not mean you can fool around. Forgive me of my words. But what I'm doing is, we are all here as one people of one common destiny. If there's anything at all, it should be out of this very show or this GTV. Coverage. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, just forgive us of our negative words. So it is just by the way.
Is that how I thought?
Okay.
Huh?
Kofi.
Is that how I thought you?
Okay, assistant manager, how did you see the trip?
Okay, thank you very much for your wonderful question. In fact, I'm very happy for this trip, and this has been my second, I think third, field exercise that I've witnessed. It has really elevated my experience in the field of geology. In fact, I used not to know how to, determine my orientation. When I say orientation, talking about the measurement of the dip and the strike of outcrop. But this particular exercise has really elevated my skills in the measurement of those orientation. I got to know megmatite, that is a rock that is made up of igneous and metamorphic features. So this exercise has been so much helpful to me that I can't even do away with it. I can never forget.
Okay, so as this has been a very part of you, or a very good exercise, what will you tell others out there about geology?
Okay, I would like to use this very opportunity to encourage them. Many people are of that misconception that geology is meant for the guys, or geology is time wasting, geology is difficult. But what I'm saying is, geology only depends on how you see certain things. It only depends on how you analyze certain things. If you know you can't analyze certain things, then geology will be a bit difficult for you. Geology is not difficult at all. It is a job that really demands your skills, demands about how you analyze certain things. And one important thing about geology is, if you are deformed, or one of your how do I even put it, your senses are deformed, then geology becomes difficult for you, because it has got something to do with the eye, the tongue, the ears, and a lot of things. Sometimes there are certain works you have to teach them to determine the kind of rocks they are or minerals they are. So I encourage them to come into geology. It's very, very, very good job. And looking at even the job opportunity, highly, there's something that we call it, we describe geology as being, hot cake. That is, you graduation. So as soon as you graduate from the school that is University of Mining Technology, it's possible you get a job. Yeah, at most a year.
That's nice to hear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you for your
Mr. Manager, we thank you so much for your time with us.
You're welcome.
We thank you so much. We thank you so much. We thank you so much. God bless you. Okay, viewers, this is where we bring the whole show to an end. Tomorrow will be another day for the group, and if God should will, we shall have another coverage and have the group discuss and describe things for us. You know, we shall go to them with the field and see what they talk about. And so, you know, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye. Okay.